Whenever possible, we should help students build solid links between new words and the student's own background knowledge. Some of the ways that we can encourage vocabulary expansion include the following: extensive reading, directly building background knowledge in students, linking words to other words and experiences, building neural connections in the brain, providing opportunities for playing with words and manipulating words, and providing ways to use words on a daily basis. Beck and McGowan state that the developing vocabulary requires engaging children in thinking about words and applying them to different situations. This isn't really that surprising. I think teachers, we all know that in order for information to become meaningful to students, we have to link it to not only their background knowledge, but to other subjects and content areas throughout the day and the year as well. And this just really is another way to assure that you are reaching a variety of learners and regardless of their academic ability.